Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone or PC actually supports HDR and high frame rates. This ensures the graphics will display correctly. Once done, obtain an HDR-ready graphic pack that matches your Bgmi game version and resolution. Make sure to back up the original textures and config files so you can revert if needed. Next, enable developer mode or file access on your device to allow manual replacements. This step opens the pathway to replace files safely and prevents in-game conflicts during the swap. You now replace textures and shaders carefully. Navigate to the Bgmi resource folder and locate the current texture and shader bundles. Once there, compare names and formats. HDR packs often require KTX or specific shader files, so rename or convert only when you know the format matches. Make sure to preserve file timestamps or use checksum tools to verify integrity. If replacements are large, copy incrementally and test the game after each group, so you can spot which file causes issues without redoing everything. You finish by configuring Bgmi video settings. Enable HDR if present, set the appropriate frame cap, and tweak brightness and contrast to balance highlights and shadow detail. After that, launch a short, low-stakes match to validate visuals and observe performance and thermals. This reveals if the HDR pack is too heavy. If you encounter crashes or artifacts, immediately restore your backed up files, confirm each file version matches the game build, and if needed, lower quality or swap to a lighter HDR variant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.